How to customize WooCommerce My Account page with Elementor. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can customize WooCommerce My Account page with Elementor. So first of all, just open your WooCommerce and just select any template or customize a site that you are designing. Now we will see that how we can customize this home page right here. So for that, just open your Elementor and in the layout from the drop down menu, select between vertical and horizontal. You can use these tabs like layout, spacing, tab name, alignment, and go to the additional setting and then customize your My Account dashboard. You may replace the default WooCommerce customer dashboard screen with a template you create in your saved template library by using the dynamic tags in the templates. You can personalize the user experience. As an example, support form may be added to allow a customer and ask a question about an order. So all you have to do is in your saved template library, create a new template from the content region and publish it. Activate the feature using the toggle button and choose the desired template by clicking on the field and entering the few letters. The template you create can be selected from the list that appears. The template will now be displayed in My Account content area in dashboard tab like this, as you can see. And after that, just you can style the template by clicking on tab. You can edit the topography, background type, color, image, box shadow, color, border type, width, color, each and everything from scratch. So you can go ahead and customize the site according to your preference. So this is how you will be able to customize your WooCommerce My Account page with Elementor. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.